Top 5 gardening trends for 2025. Transform your green space today. Yo, what's up everybody? Come back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the future of gardening. That's right. We're talking about the top 5 trends that are going to be blowing up gardens everywhere in 2025. Whether you're rocking a window box in a tiny apartment or you've got acres of land, these trends are going to inspire you to take your green game to the next level. We're talking about turning concrete jungles into urban oases, mixing up cocktails with homegrown ingredients, and using tech to make gardening easier than ever. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get our hands dirty. First up, we're hitting the streets literally with the urban gardening renaissance. Cities are bursting with concrete, right? But people are craving nature, that connection to the earth. So what's happening? People are getting creative, turning rooftops, balconies, even fire escapes into little slices of paradise. We're talking vertical gardens, climbing walls, community plots bringing neighbors together, and rooftops transforming into urban farms. And it's not just about aesthetics, though let's be real, these urban gardens look incredible. It's about sustainability, people. Growing your own food reduces your carbon footprint, cleans the air, and even helps cool down those concrete heat islands. Imagine, you're walking home from work, stressed out, and you step onto your rooftop oasis surrounded by greenery and the smell of fresh herbs. That's the power of urban gardening, man. Alright, next up, we're getting our mixology on with sustainable cocktail gardens. This trend is all about growing your own ingredients for delicious, homegrown cocktails. We're talking fresh mint for mojitos, basil for your basil gimlets, lavender for those fancy syrups. Imagine you're having friends over and instead of hitting the liquor store, you step out into your backyard and harvest the ingredients for your cocktails. Talk about impressive, right? But it goes beyond just cocktails. You can grow edible flowers to add a touch of elegance to your dishes, herbs to elevate your cooking, and fruits for those refreshing summer drinks. It's about creating a complete sensory experience, from garden to glass. Plus, you're reducing waste and supporting biodiversity by growing your own ingredients. Cheers to that. Now, let's talk about doing some good for the planet with eco-friendly planting. This isn't just a trend. It's a movement towards a more sustainable and harmonious way of living with nature. Look, we all know about climate change, and it's more important than ever to be mindful of our impact on the environment. The effects are all around us. Melting ice caps, deforestation, and pollution are just a few examples. But what if we could make a difference right in our own backyards? That's where eco-friendly planting comes in. It's a simple yet powerful way to contribute to the health of our planet. By choosing the right plants, we can create a positive impact on our local ecosystems. It's about ditching those generic, mass-produced plants and opting for native species that support local ecosystems. These plants are naturally adapted to your region's climate and soil, making them a perfect fit for your garden. Think about it. Those native plants have evolved over centuries to thrive in your specific region. They are well suited to the local conditions, which means they require less water, fertilizer, and overall maintenance. They attract beneficial insects, provide habitats for pollinators, and require less water and maintenance. Imagine a garden buzzing with life. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators all playing their part in a thriving ecosystem. We're talking about creating a garden that's not just beautiful, but also a haven for wildlife. A diverse plant life means a more resilient garden, capable of withstanding various environmental stresses. Imagine butterflies fluttering around your lavender bushes, bees buzzing happily among your wildflowers. It's not just a visual treat, but also a vital contribution to the local ecosystem. It's about creating a little ecosystem right in your backyard, a place where plants, insects, and birds can coexist and thrive, contributing to the overall health of the environment. Plus, native plants are often more resilient to pests and diseases, so you can say goodbye to those harsh chemical pesticides. Instead, you can use natural pest control methods, which are safer for you and the environment. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Not only do you get a beautiful, low-maintenance garden, but you also contribute to the well-being of local wildlife and the environment. So, why not start today? Make a difference, one plant at a time. Alright, let's get techie for a minute with tech-integrated gardening. Imagine combining the tranquility of nature with the precision of modern technology. It's like having a personal assistant for your garden. Technology is everywhere these days, and gardening is no exception. From smart homes to smart gardens, the integration of technology into our daily lives is seamless and incredibly beneficial. We're talking about smart irrigation systems that water your plants with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that each plant gets the exact amount of water it needs, no more, no less. This not only saves water, but also promotes healthier plant growth. Then there are apps that monitor soil health and tell you exactly what your plants need. These apps can measure soil moisture, pH levels, and nutrient content, providing you with real-time data to make informed decisions. And let's not forget about sensors that track sunlight and adjust your plant's positions accordingly. These sensors ensure that your plants get the optimal amount of sunlight throughout the day, maximizing their growth potential. This is next-level gardening, people. Imagine, you're on vacation, relaxing on a beach, but you can still keep an eye on your garden. With just a few taps on your phone, you can check on your plants, monitor their health, and make adjustments as needed. It's like having a remote control for your garden. You can make sure they're getting enough water, even if you're miles away. No more relying on neighbors or friends to water your plants while you're gone. You can even adjust the lighting if needed. Whether it's increasing the light for sun-loving plants or dimming it for those that prefer shade, you have complete control. No more worrying about your plants while you're away. You can enjoy your vacation knowing that your garden is in good hands. Tech-integrated gardening takes the guesswork out of the equation. It provides you with all the information you need to make the best decisions for your plants. This makes it easier than ever to have a thriving garden, even if you don't have a green thumb. The technology does the hard work for you, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of your garden without the stress. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, tech-integrated gardening tools can help you achieve great results. They provide guidance and support, making gardening accessible to everyone. Plus, it helps conserve water and resources, which is always a good thing. By using technology to optimize water usage, you can reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Some advanced gardeners even use drones to survey their gardens, capturing aerial views and identifying areas that need attention. This adds another layer of precision and efficiency to gardening. And let's not forget about robotic lawn mowers that keep your lawn perfectly trimmed without any effort on your part. These devices can navigate around obstacles and ensure your lawn looks pristine. Weather stations can also be integrated into your garden, providing real-time weather updates and forecasts. This information can help you plan your gardening activities more effectively. Some gardeners are even using virtual reality to plan their gardens, visualizing different layouts and plant combinations before making any changes. This allows for more creativity and experimentation. In conclusion, tech-integrated gardening is revolutionizing the way we care for our plants. It combines the best of both worlds, bringing together the beauty of nature and the power of technology to create a harmonious and efficient gardening experience. Last but not least, let's slow down and find our zen with mindful gardening practices. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, forgetting to take a moment for ourselves. But mindful gardening offers a unique opportunity to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the natural world around us. Look, life is hectic, right? We're always on the go, juggling multiple responsibilities and trying to keep up with the demands of modern living. We're constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and distractions. Our minds are often cluttered, and it can be challenging to find a moment of peace amidst the chaos. Gardening can be an escape from all that, a chance to reconnect with nature and ourselves. It's a simple yet profound way to ground ourselves, to feel the earth beneath our feet, and to engage in a practice that nurtures both our bodies and our minds. Mindful gardening is about creating a space that promotes relaxation, reflection, and well-being. It's not just about planting flowers or vegetables. It's about cultivating a sanctuary where you can unwind and find solace. Think about incorporating elements like comfortable seating areas, soothing water features, and pathways that invite you to wander and explore. These elements can transform your garden into a personal retreat. And sensory plants that engage all your senses. Imagine the vibrant colors, the delicate fragrances, the textures of leaves and petals, and the sounds of nature all around you. Imagine you step outside into your garden, the gentle sound of water trickling from a fountain, creating a soothing melody that calms your mind. The scent of lavender filling the air, its calming aroma helping to ease your stress and anxiety. And you just feel your worries melt away. The garden becomes a place where you can let go of your troubles and simply be in the moment. It's about creating a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of everyday life and find a moment of peace. A mindful garden is a refuge, a space where you can meditate, practice yoga, or simply sit quietly and reflect. So take a deep breath, get your hands dirty, and immerse yourself in the therapeutic power of gardening. Feel the soil between your fingers, the sun on your face, and the gentle breeze that carries the scent of flowers, and let the therapeutic power of gardening work its magic. Whether you're planting seeds, pruning bushes, or simply enjoying the beauty of your garden, each moment spent in mindful gardening is a step towards greater well-being and inner peace. So, embrace the practice and let your garden be a source of joy and tranquility in your life. So there you have it, the top 5 gardening trends that are going to dominate in 2025. From urban jungles to tech-savvy gardens, there's a trend out there for everyone. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future gardening adventures. Until next time, peace out. These trends offer exciting opportunities to revitalize your gardening journey. Which trend resonates with you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let's cultivate a greener future together.